Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Solangie, and if you're not new, what's good, what's up, welcome back. I'm gonna be doing my first room tour, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So if you do not know, we're staying at the Majestic, Elegance, Costa Mujeres in Cancun, Mexico. If you haven't watched my vlog, stop watching this video and go watch my vlog and then come back to this one. Okay, all right. So let's start off with the first thing. So this door here is for room service. We order our food. They come and they drop it up here, and then when we're done, we'll put it back and they'll pick it up and take it away. It avoids them coming in our room and things like that. So that's pretty cool. Another thing, they do not have a do not disturb sign. I think this is pretty cool too. You have to press this button here and it indicates to them out there that, you know, do not disturb. So as we come forward, we have a big mirror. You know, I love this. Love it. Then we have a his and her closet. Or if you're with your friends, you have one closet and your friend has another closet. It's my little fits right here. Over here is Bae's fits, his sneakers, his shoes. Now let's work our way through the bathroom. I love this bathroom. So this is for your towels. We decided to use this for like our pool towels, and then these are our regular towels. We can hang them there. This room, well, this part of the room is our toilet. It's separated from the shower. And then on this side is the shower. So just to let you guys know, this is our second day here. So we've already settled in. You know, the showers have been used and everything. So nothing really looks like when you first come into the resort, the hotel room, but just an FYI. So this is our tub. We haven't used it yet, but we will. It has a little wooden area so you can like put your phone or your tablet or whatever, and have little sections for your cups. It's so dope. I can't wait to use that. We have our his and her sinks. We need this in our house for sure. Whenever we have a house, we need this because this is my space, this is his space. Two mirrors. So here they gave us shower gel, shampoo, you know, the usual knickknacks. Now let's head over to our sleeping space. So everything is put together. They only have like this thing right here that is separating our the bathroom and the sleeping area. This is our king size bed. You know, over here there's a button that controls the AC. We have the fan, we turn it on and we turn it off. And then the different levels of the AC is also here as well. You can turn on and turn off this light that's right here. And you can basically control all the lighting in the room with this if you'd like to. Also, we have the charging space. They have the USB-C, I believe. And if you want to use that, or if you have like the more, the newest Apple chargers or any new charger, you can still use the regular ports. Now, what I like the most about this hotel is that we can order our stuff on the TV. So it has my boyfriend's name on there. They spelled his name wrong, but that's his name on there. And you can basically order any type of room service that you want in the TV. I'm waiting for it to access. Okay, so it has the room service, and it'll give you breakfast, lunch, or late night menu, the dinner. And once you order it, like I said, they'll put it in that little space that I told you in the beginning. You eat your food and then you put it back and they'll take it away. So this is pretty cool. We haven't used it as yet, but they have, you know, the common breakfast, classic breakfast, American breakfast. They have a Mexican breakfast, vegetarian, continental breakfast, and they'll let you know they're available from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. So that's pretty cool. I think that's one of the best features. All right, let's move down to this area. This is our coffee space. They gave us snacks and coffee if you're into that. The fridge, we have beers in this corner, so Mexican beer, it's pretty good. We have our waters, we have regular sodas, Coca-Cola. Ooh. We have Coca-Cola, Sprite, you know, Fanta, whatever. They gave us a complimentary wine for our stay. So if you do come here, make sure that you get this. And they also gave us complimentary whiskey. So you have the option to choose from rum, tequila, and like 2 more other options I don't remember, but we decided to go with Jameson. We gotta pop this open real quick. Hey you guys, so this is our balcony. We have 2 seating areas. I definitely want to utilize this. And just check out this view. Private pools at the bottom, but we're gonna show you, we're gonna save the best for last. Okay, so let's head back inside. Okay, so this is our couch area. Just comfy, regular couch with a view. So that's, you know, if you want to chill on here and just take a look at the ambiance, you can do that, or you can watch TV, whatever you want to do. Now, this last part is what sold us the most. We saw this and was like, nah, we have to come. So, show you. So the plunge pool, like I said, is the best part of this whole experience. I strongly suggest that if you do book this place, that you get this room. Seriously, it's beautiful, it's breathtaking. But this is the end of my tour of the Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres Resort. If you like it, come and enjoy yourself. Have fun, come with Bae, come with friends. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more tours, I'll be doing more travel, and just thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next vlog. Later, loves.